Okay, in this video, we'll be learning about face detection, and face detection will be understanding how the software will see and understand the expression. So first of all, what we will do is we create a variable fd, we create a variable fd and call the method face detection. So this is the class face detection. In this class, we will be using all the methods which are available. So we have created a variable fd and call it for the next part. So we'll use fd dot video, and here we need to tell the converter that I want to switch on the switch on the video. Okay, once the video is on, then fd dot enable box. This is basically used to figure it out that is there any face or in front of the screen. So it will be making a box in front of the screen and storing it for the further details. So f next function ft dot set threshold, and here we'll be setting up the threshold 0.4 so that the computer will figure it out what the emotion is. On next part is we put the code in loop while the code is one, you can say, and then put it fd.analyze. So now we need to analyze camera. So whatever thing are coming on the camera, it needs to analyze. So it is code, the screen will be going on the data, and then we'll be figure it out what exactly it is showing us. And then we'll use count. Count basically will be used to see numbers of cases. So we are seeing if the count is 0. If the count is 0, it will come out of the loop, or if it is more than 0, it will continuously check what it needs to check the expression. So we will tell the sprite dot save ft dot expression. Okay, else it will what it will say sprite dot say no face detected. Okay, this is all. There are some slight alignment issues, so we need that. This column will go up, this will come down. Okay, so we is the code working properly? Okay, it's loading the video. So it's loading all the models which are required to detect the space. Once it is detected, it will start. So you need to wait. Okay. Yeah. So the face is detected. I will just place the top a little bit down. Okay. There's lots of lag. Okay. So my face now it is showing neutral. Let me remove the specs and let's see what it's showing. Oh, and surprise, sad, neutral. So this is how the face would be recognized and it will show the expression. I hope you understood the concept.